Hey there, YouTube world. I've got a Chevy 216s out of my 38 Chevy Carryall Suburban, and I just replaced the connecting rod in it, and I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, power wash the cooling system out, the water jacket, and get it back in the shop, get it dried out, and start assembling it again. See how this goes. There we go. We got the water jacket power washed out. Didn't take too long. That was probably like a half an hour or so worth of cleaning. Let's get this thing out of the wash bay and get it back into the shop. Alright, I got the engine back in the shop. I put the oil pan back on it. I'm working on taking a broken head bolt out of the block. Let's show you how I got to this point. Oh, you're fine. Pretend like you're not paying for the gas. Oh! It was pretty funny when I saw it. This is the shop. We make noise in the shop. Not how to repair cars. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, you guys are sitting one guy. Having three guys. That house wasn't bad. No. Yeah, it was pretty well open. Because when you got the YouTube out, you know you can zoom in. Yeah. People don't like it. Apparently people like camping and like Model T driving. I want to do more driving videos, but I need a 360 camera to like video outside the car. Because I catch myself watching people that do like a 15-minute drive. And I mean, I'll watch it, but it's kind of boring after a couple of minutes of just staring out the windshield.
How about a Costco special?
Yeah, I'll get one here shortly. Here's for the video. Holy crap.
I got you.
This one? No. The other one.
Paper.
That's the side cover.
Oh, which one are we looking for?
Yep. Yeah.
He's got garage space. He just needs perfect service.
I'm just, yeah, I'm gonna cut it all out.
The rest of that's getting tired. Yeah. So it's like, I don't know what you're mad about.
Your torque sequence, torque specs, sir?
Yeah.
No, do not do that. Do not give him any. I made that mistake one time. So for a short period, it's fine. I'm good. I was asking.
Quite a few years.
We're recording.
Graduation day.
Alright, well there you go. We got the water jacket cleaned out. We got the oil pan back on it. We got the broken head bolt removed out of the block. Next time, we'll continue putting this thing back together and get this piece of history back on the road. Roll the credits.